Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, real quickly, if you are new here, what this channel is all about is we go out to all of the job boards and search all of the job boards daily, trying to weed through all the scams and the junk remote work from home jobs, bringing you only the best jobs that are hiring right now, remote work from home on generally a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have your YouTube notifications turned on. But in today's video, we have companies like Athleta, the athletic brand that's kind of right in line with Lululemon. They are hiring and paying up to $52 an hour. We have a lot of quality review jobs, whether it's checking claims like in the medical world, reviewing those for quality, or whether it is listening to recorded phone calls and scoring them, grading them, and giving feedback. We also have a job that is hiring. It's non-phone, and you can set your own schedule and kind of work when you want to. I know a lot of you are kind of looking for those part-time or flexible jobs that you can work in between other jobs, especially with the holiday season coming up, trying to make a little bit of extra money. So hopefully we have a little bit of something for everyone. Of course, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can be found in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, first up, we do have the company Torrid hiring. They are a clothing fashion company. There's a Torrid store in a mall near me. I'm not sure if they have stores all over the United States or if they're just in certain regions, but they have 1,500 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service representative. Now, please note this is 100% remote work from home, but they are looking for somebody to work specific schedules, and that is Sunday and Monday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday through Thursday, the schedule would be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., being off on Friday and Saturday. So you will have to work on Sundays with this one. But it is basic customer service. You're going to monitor those incoming phone queues, making sure that coverage is maintained at all times. You'll also do things like answering customer emails and the website live chats and social media inquiries as well. And you're just going to be doing basic customer service for their product line. So you're going to have to get to know their products and use your knowledge to suggest items to customers and properly inform them on a product choice, helping them with order status, questions about their order status, product availability, back orders, things like that. You're just managing the overall customer expectations, making sure that they can order the products that they need and get them straight to them. Now, this only requires 1 year of customer service experience and preferably a call center environment. Somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who has strong computer skills. You're going to have to be navigating around different computer software systems while you're talking to the customer. So they're really wanting somebody who can type at least 40 words per minute. And pay is anywhere from $16 an hour up to $18.74 an hour. Now, next up, we have Athleta hiring. Athleta is owned by Gap, but Athleta is a little bit more advanced, I would say, type athletic wear store. They're right in line as far as quality and pricing with Lululemon, but they have 1,800 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an administrative assistant. Now, again, this is remote work from home. And I've always shared these administrative type or executive assistant type jobs when I come across them, because if you are a very organized person who can really manage schedules, manage those executive schedules so that they can get to the meetings and get to the things that they need to get to and do the work that they need to do, if you can handle all of their paperwork, emails, and all the other things so that they can just do what they do best, they always pay very well, and Athleta is no different. So they are really just looking for somebody to provide that administrative support to a group of executives and senior leadership. This means you're going to be managing their calendars, scheduling meetings, making appointments for them, answering their phone calls, making any travel arrangements for them, so booking their hotels, flights, things like that. You're going to handle all of their file maintenance, order their office supplies and equipment, process their mail, email, answer emails, planning the meetings, listening in on the meetings and taking like notes to email out, things like that. You're just handling all the administrative duties so they can just show up and have their brain power there and then on to the next one. So they are looking for somebody who has strong communication skills, somebody who is very advanced at using computers like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You might even have to design some presentations for them for meetings they're in. You've got to definitely be a multitasker and have a high degree of professionalism and keep things confidential. These are people who are normally high up on the leadership board. No college degree is needed though. And of course, a pay is down here at the bottom, starts at $40.70 an hour, goes up to $52.90 an hour. And on top of great pay, you also get discounts on merchandise, which includes Old Navy, Gap, Banana Republic, and Athleta. Now, if you're looking to be more in the healthcare space, we have Conduent hiring. They do have 10,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote work from home quality assurance associate for their Medicaid division. And so for their Medicaid insurance line, they're looking for somebody to monitor transactions, assuring that they are in compliant against performance standards. So you are just checking these transactions and make sure they're hitting these bullet points. You will help develop and implement improvement processes as needed, just documenting performance trends to help develop these processes. So you're assisting with training, quality assurance processes, and overall process improvement. So basically, you are checking the quality and standard of the transactions after they've been worked by other reps. And then you are seeing if they are good to go or where it failed. You're kind of looking for trends so that you can identify places where processes need to be improved, making sure that those training guides and documentation is in place, and just helping the overall training and quality of the whole department. So you are really helping create preventative action plans to eliminate any errors in the work. Even though they prefer an associate's degree, it's not required, just a high school diploma or GED. Someone who is advanced and proficient, again, in those Microsoft Office computer systems, software systems. You have great time management skills. You can kind of prioritize and organize tasks. You have great communication skills. And they say if you have experience working with Medicaid programs, that is a plus, but not required. The estimated pay for this one is $25 an hour. Now, staying right on that quality assurance and quality checking of others' work, we have Thyme Care hiring. Now, please note this company only has 10 reviews from past and current employees, so please always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. I do my best to check and verify these companies. They do have a 3.9 out of 5 star rating, and they are hiring a quality assurance coordinator. Now, this is remote, or they do have an office in Nashville, Tennessee, but we are more interested in the remote. But as a quality assurance coordinator, they're really just looking for somebody to review their care team's interactions with their members. So the customer service reps with the patients, those interactions, caregivers, physicians, vendors, and resources. All of these customer service reps are having interactions with all these people through telephone, text, or email. And so you're going to be listening to those telephone calls, reading those texts, or reading those emails, and assessing the interactions against their quality standards. So you're getting basically a scorecard or quality standard grading rubric, and you are making sure that they are staying high and consistent with the quality standards that are set for them. Now, since you're spending most of your day reviewing and scoring these interactions, you might also have a chance to help develop training resources. When you come across things, you give your feedback. You're like, oh, I see multiple people kind of doing the same thing. We need a training guide or training resource made to address this. You might help make those training resources for ongoing department education, help with product updates, releases. So you are really making a feedback documentation as well. Now, they are really looking for somebody who can be diverse in your perspective, somebody who has worked in service-oriented roles, you have customer service, and you're familiar with like quality auditing, coaching, and giving feedback. You're a great listener, a great communicator, and somebody who has a desire to learn new technologies. Pay for this one starts at $33.66 an hour, goes up to $34.62 an hour. But if you're looking for a more flexible role, somewhere who allows you to kind of set your own schedule and work when you want to, study.com is hiring. They have 497 reviews with an overall rating of 2.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a curriculum reviewer. Now, this is going to be a contract position rather than a W-2, and that's given with a lot of jobs who allow you to kind of set your own schedule. But they are really looking for people who are experienced in the education space to help them ensure that their course outlines align with the curriculum standards and help update exam content guides as needed. So you're really reviewing completed course outlines, making sure it's covered, with all the topics are covered, it's clear, and it's of quality. So you are basically proofreading, gut checking against different metrics, making any revisions as needed, and suggesting new lessons or objectives to be included where there are content gaps or education gaps in the rubrics before this curriculum is completely designed and rolled out to students. So you're basically reviewing all this information, making sure it's complete. Now, this one is going to require a bachelor degree or some kind of higher education. They're really looking for people who have degrees in like humanities, math, science, or education, who have a hands-on experience reviewing and testing or post-secondary curriculum, someone who's detail-oriented, great written communication skills. Although it doesn't say what their pay is, it does say that they pay twice a month. And of course, you can set your own schedule. You can work a flexible schedule in your PJs at 3 a.m. if you choose. And next up, we have another quality review job. EXL Service is hiring. They have 7,100 reviews with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. And of course, they are looking for a remote quality reviewer. This is remote for the United States. Now, EXL is an analytics and digital solutions company. They partner with clients and different companies and brands to help those customers improve their business outcomes and help grow their business. So they are basically providing business solutions to different companies, and they are really looking for a reviewer to evaluate and edit high-value home appraisals that are submitted by their field staff to ensure that the quality of attention to detail has been made. So you're just double checking these home appraisals before they go out to the customers. If they are of high value, just making sure that the value is correct, everything looks in line. You're kind of just re-evaluating it again before it goes out to the customer. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a high degree of attention to detail, great problem solving and analytical skills, somebody who has great communication skills and can work with computer systems and software. No college degree is needed, no. Now, pay is anywhere from $15.50 an hour up to $16 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.